Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the T-Mobile app when it keeps stopping or crashing on your phone. If your T-Mobile app keeps closing suddenly or showing T-Mobile keeps stopping, it's usually due to corrupted cache data, outdated app versions, or background sync errors. You might open it and boom, it crashes right away. Don't worry, I'll show you simple ways to fix it and get it running smoothly again. Here's what you need to do. Method 1. Force close and reopen the app. Start by swiping up your recent apps and closing the T-Mobile app completely. Then reopen it. Sometimes the crash is just a temporary glitch. Method 2. Clear app cache and data. Next, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache first, then Clear Data. This removes corrupted files that often cause the keeps stopping error. Don't skip this. Clearing cache alone fixes most app crashes instantly. Method 3. Update the app from Play Store or App Store. Outdated versions can conflict with your phone's system updates. Open your App Store, search T-Mobile, and tap Update if available. Method 4. Restart your phone. After updating, restart your phone to refresh all background services. This helps the app start cleanly when you open it again. Method 5. Reinstall the app. If it's still crashing, uninstall the T-Mobile app completely, then reinstall the latest version from the official store. That replaces any broken files from the previous install. Method 6. Check for system updates. Go to Settings, Software Update, and check for updates. Make sure your Android or iOS version is up to date. System bugs can cause app crashes too. And that's it. Your T-Mobile app should now open and work without crashing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile fixes.